Today we are going to install our new FDD 1800 and 2100. This is our drawing which we will follow to install outdoor. And we will see its hardware. This is duplexer. We have two input and four output. And this is 1800 port and this is 2100 port. 1800 port and 2100 port. In antenna we have four port, plus minus, two minus and two plus port. And in duplexer we will use backside port minus, which jumper is coming from antenna minus. We will install backside of this duplexer port, and here we install plus, and in minus and plus, and now it's coming 2 from downside. 4 jumper we will receive outside from downside. We will receive 4 jumper. Here you can see it's 1800 and it is 2100. 1800 and 2100. In one sector we will install 2 duplexer. We will install 4 jumper here, and here we will see there are 8 port coming out, and these are our RF modules, 4 RF modules. And then these 2 modules are 1800 and these are 2100. Here you will see this is FXED, this is 1800 module, and this is a second FXED to 1800 module. 2 module we have FXED, and these are FRGU 2100 module, and this is second FRGU 2100 module. We have 2 module 1800 and remaining 2 are 2100. This is a module assembly. These are EMHA. Left side EMHA we will use FXED1, and left side we will use left side FXED1, and here we FXED2. And this is same assembly for EMHA assembly for 2100. These both are same. Now we are going to install duplexer. We will see duplexer connections. We already install jumper on our one duplexer. Now we will see its connection. In RF module we have 6 ports: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 2 are sector 1, these 2 are sector 2, and these are sector 3. And same here, we have 6 port on each module: sector 1, sector 2 and sector T in FRGU also. 1, 2 and 3. All are same. Now we are going to install, we will see duplexer connections. On each sector we will install 2 duplexer. Now this is a duplexer, first duplexer 1. Now we will see drawing and see how to connect it jumper. Always remember, upside from downside we will install negative port antenna, and upside we will use positive, either minus and up plus. Now we will see our scenario in drawing. In drawing we can see this is our antenna. It is our minus is coming in our duplexer 1, and from duplexer there is 1800 and 2100. You can see minus 1800 is going to FXED1 port 1. Now this is our duplexer 1 negative downside port, and 1800 we are going to install FXED1 port 1. We will consider downside module as a FXED1. Now we are going to install FXED 1 and port 1. Now we will see 2100 jumper where it is going. You can see it's 2100 is going FRGU 1 port 2 पे. Now we see 2100 jumper, and now we consider downside module as a FRGU 1, and we will install on FRGU 1 port 2. We install on FRGU 1 port 2, and same. Now our upper side of this duplexer is plus, and it is plus 1800, and it is plus 2100 port. Now plus 1800 port is now you can see its jumper is going to FXED 1 port 2. FXED 1 port 2. This is our FXED 1 port 2. Now our downside module is FXED 1. Now we will see plus 2100 is going to FRGU 1 port 1 on first port. Now same FRGU downside which we put is FRGU 1. Now our duplexer 1 installation is complete. Now we are going to install our second duplexer. Now in one sector we will install 2 duplexer. We already install a jumper on a second duplexer. Now we will see its connection. As per design, we will see in our first duplexer all jumpers are installed on our module 1s. Now we will see second duplexer connection. These have 2 portions. Downside portion is minus, and upside we will consider plus. Minus jumper which is coming from antenna we will install downside, and plus upside. Now we will see drawing our negative. You can see we will install on duplexer, and after minus 1800 of second duplexer will go to FXED 2 to port 2. Now second duplexer minus 1800 we take its jumper and will install on FXED 2 upside. FXED we consider as 2 on FXED 2 port 2. Downside we consider 1, and upside we consider FXED 2. Now what is in our drawing? We see FXED 2 port 2. Now it's 2100. We will see minus 2100 will go we will see it go FRGU 2 port 1. It will go FRGU 2 port 1. We consider upper FRGU as FRGU 2. Now we see plus 1800 will go FXED 2 port 1 module 2 port 1. Okay, now we say plus 2100. Plus 2100 our will go FRGU to port 2. FRGU to port 2. To port 2. Now our installation is complete. Sector 1 installation is complete with 2 duplexer and 4 modules. Now we see it's what is the difference between this. In first duplexer we see all jumpers are installed on module 1, FXED 1 and FRGU 1. We will see it's 1800 minus 1800. It's a minus 1800. You can see it is going to FXED 1 port 1. जो our first minus 2100 is going to FRGU 1 port 2. And what is the difference of second module? We can see that it's a minus 1800 is going to FXED 2 port 2. Port 2. In first it was going in FXED 1 port 1. In second one it is going to FXED 2 port 2. Port 2. In same in 2100 it is minus 2100 is going to FXED 1 FRGU 1 port 2. And in second duplexer you can see it is going to 2100 is going to minus FRGU 2 port 1. It is opposite. In duplexer 1 and duplexer 2 in this scenario its connection is opposite.